The future of space exploration is no longer a sci-fi dream, it's unfolding right now. Humanity has always looked up at the stars, but now we are reaching out with unprecedented technology and ambition. From destinations as close as the Moon to the icy depths of Jupiter's ocean world Europa, NASA's next-gen missions are about to rewrite human history. Each mission is a stepping stone to a larger goal, ensuring humanity's place among the stars. Here's your guided tour through NASA's most thrilling upcoming adventures. Section 1. Artemis and Lunar Gateway. First up, the Artemis program. Artemis 2 is slated for April 2026, sending for astronauts on the first crewed lunar flyby since Apollo. For the first time in over 50 years, humans will once again see the far side of the Moon with their own eyes. Then comes Artemis 4 in 2028, which will deliver key gateway modules into lunar orbit. Unlike Apollo, Artemis isn't just about brief visits, it's about building sustainable infrastructure. By 2030, Artemis V will land astronauts at the Moon's South Pole, a location chosen because it may hold vast reserves of frozen water ice. This is critical for survival, since water can be used for drinking, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Alongside the landing, Artemis V will deploy a lunar rover and expand habitats connected through the Gateway. This multinational outpost, the Lunar Gateway, will serve as a stepping stone for deeper space missions. Designed as a small but powerful space station in lunar orbit, it will be a hub where astronauts can live, research, and transfer between spacecraft. Unlike the International Space Station, the Gateway won't always be occupied, but it will serve as a permanent base of operations. It's expected to start operations by 2027, symbolizing the beginning of a truly international era of exploration uniting NASA, ESA, JAXA, and even private companies in one shared vision of the future. Section 2. Europa Clipper. Next stop, Europa Clipper. Launching in 2024, this spacecraft embarks on a 6-year journey, reaching Jupiter's moon Europa by April 2030. Once there, it will conduct nearly 50 flybys, each closer and more detailed than the last. The mission will probe Europa's icy crust for cracks, geysers, and surface chemistry while using radar to peer beneath the ice. Scientists believe Europa hides a vast salty ocean beneath its frozen shell containing twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Could Europa be the key to discovering alien life? If hydrothermal vents exist at the bottom of that ocean, conditions might mirror those on Earth, where life thrives without sunlight. Europa Clipper's mission is not just about data, it's about answering one of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked: are we alone in the universe? This mission represents NASA's best chance yet of finding environments beyond Earth that could support life. Section 3. Venus Exploration. Venus is calling. Despite being Earth's closest neighbor, it's still a mystery. NASA's VERITAS mission, launching around 2031, will orbit and map Venus with radar cutting through its clouds to reveal hidden landscapes. Scientists want to know if Venus was once Earth-like with oceans and a mild climate before becoming the scorched, toxic planet it is today. Meanwhile, Da Vinci, launching between 2029 to 2031, will dive into Venus's atmosphere. Its probe will measure chemistry, pressure, and temperature while capturing images of the surface. Could Venus once have supported life? Together, VERITAS and Da Vinci may explain why Earth and Venus, so similar in size, took such different paths. Section 4. Mars and Small Suns. NASA isn't forgetting Mars. In 2025, ESCAPADE twin satellites will orbit the red planet, studying plasma and magnetic fields to uncover how Mars lost its atmosphere. But Mars isn't the only target. A small set called Pandora, set for fall 2025, will study exoplanet atmospheres. By splitting starlight from planets, it will look for oxygen, methane, and water vapor, the building blocks of life. By pairing Mars research with exoplanet studies, NASA is exploring both humanity's past and its future. Section 5: Planetary Defense and Nuclear Power. We're also preparing for worst-case scenarios. NASA's 2022 DART mission proved we can deflect asteroids by changing the orbit of a moonlet. Humanity showed it can protect Earth from cosmic threats. At the same time, nuclear power in space is advancing. By 2030, NASA plans a 100-kilowatt reactor on the Moon, powering bases through the long lunar night and serving as a model for Mars colonies. This effort keeps NASA ahead in sustainable space living. Section 6: Human Adaptation and Funding Challenges. Humans must adapt before traveling far. The CHAPEA mission, a 378-day Mars simulation on Earth, places volunteers in a 3D-printed habitat with isolation, limited resources, and delayed communication. It tests how astronauts endure long missions in extreme conditions. Yet budget cuts threaten projects like Mars Sample Return and the Lunar Gateway. Political shifts often redirect NASA's focus. Today's priority is deep space, but uncertainty remains. From Venus's clouds to Martian skies, from Europa's oceans to the Moon's surface, NASA's missions are bolder than ever. Each step carries not just science, but humanity's hope for survival and discovery. What's next? Permanent lunar bases, human footprints on Mars, probes in alien oceans, and telescopes finding new Earths among the stars. The journey is only beginning. If you love space, don't just watch, join the mission. Smash that like button, share with fellow dreamers, and subscribe now for more cosmic updates. The universe won't stop exploring, and neither should you.